Good morning everyone, I am Tapesh Agarwal of 12F and I am contesting for the post of Emerald House Captain. Now I feel honored to have this opportunity to tell you why I believe that I am the one to lead our house this year and I want to make it count. Firstly, being a leader isn't about being the best in everything, because you can't. Being a leader is about bringing out the best in every one of your people. Now a good leader knows how to listen to and understand others, and I know I do. I want to be the one to lead our house through all the challenges towards the goal, the House Cup. Now I think we can all agree that the House Cup is a common goal. Now when you work towards a common goal as if it was your own personal goal, you tend to play nice and work as a team. When you work as a team towards a goal, you always improve yourself. That's what this is about, improving yourself. I think we've heard that trust is a two-way street. Well, help is also a two-way street. I believe that collaboration lies at the core of effective leadership. So I help you in being the best throughout the year, and you help me in helping you. And if we want Emerald to be the best house it can be, I think we need to be more than just focused. We need to be inspired by what we can achieve together and what each and every one of us has there as their potential. Lastly, I would like to tell you that leading by example is key, and I'll walk the talk and live up to our values. To wrap it up, I'd like to thank you all for listening, and I will be counting on your support to make sure that our house is the talk of the town. Go Emerald!